Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Here's your weekly dose of inspiration to build a creative habit, one drawing at a time. Brought to you by Sketchbook School. I'm kind of obsessed with drawing people, you might have noticed. And when you draw people, it's important to capture body language and posture, but I hear from a lot of people that they have trouble drawing hands. Especially when you draw from observation, you need to work fast. And I think drawing hands is like drawing people, about gesture more than anything. And yes, proportion is very important too, but you will get to understand shape and proportion more and more as you practice. And you can practice simply by holding your own hand up into several poses and draw those with your other hand. I start with the brush sticking out, then follow along with the next shape, that fingertip that sticks out. And then on to the next shape. That's it really. Instead of thinking about fingers and digits, folds and nails, you draw a shape, then the one next to it and the one next to that. And that way you will find your way through the overall shape. Then look at shadows and use those. Color those dark bits. They make a huge difference in creating a bit of depth and curves. Now you can add darker lines and more layers in the very shaded areas, but don't overwork it. Instead, find a different pose and start drawing that. Practice, practice, practice. Your own hands are great models to use. They're always there. And if you're ready for another challenge, then try capturing the gestures of other people's hands. Fill pages and pages full of hands and don't think of each hand drawing to be a perfect piece of art. No, just make a lot of sketches on one page in which you capture the energy and learn about proportion with each drawing that you make. It's a learning curve, and the more you draw, the more confident you will feel drawing hands. Have fun and share what you make using the hashtag DTTInAction. I'd love to see what you draw this week. Also make sure to sign up for the weekly Draw Tip Tuesday newsletter. I'll send you an email each week as soon as the new Draw Tip Tuesday video is published. And I'll see you next week. Bye.